Hi, are you looking for a budget Bluetooth speaker that delivers powerful sound, colorful RGB lights, and IPX7 waterproof protection without spending a lot? In today's review, I am taking a closer look at the Ortizan portable Bluetooth speaker with 24-watt stereo sound, up to 30 hours of playtime, Bluetooth 5.3, and party-ready RGB lighting. It promises premium features at an affordable price. It is only for $31 and you can claim 36% discount from my description box. To get this discount part, check my description. Okay. But is it really the best budget waterproof speaker of 2026? And more importantly, is it better than some higher priced alternatives? Let's find it out. I'm gonna tell you the colors, key features, outlook, honest customer reactions, and everything you should know before buying it. Okay, see, lots of colors available: black, blue, bright red, purple, pink, midnight blue, teal, and white. So 8 colors are available. See, almost for the same price as. See, and now let's check the core features. Hi-Fi stereo sound and dual pairing. RGB colorful light show. IPX7 waterproof design. Up to 30-hour playtime. Upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 signal. Everything you need. Ideal gifts for everyone. Check more details. See here some additional details. You can check the connectivity is wireless and Bluetooth. Okay. And it has auxiliary Bluetooth TF card and wireless connectivity technology. See the battery capacity. Here the audio hardware, and you will get 30-day return guarantee from Amazon. Also item details here, everything. See power, sound quality, measurements, compatibility with compatible devices are laptop, smartphone, tablet, television, personal computer, and projector. Check the power source, it's battery powered, and so on. You can check the real unboxing and using videos from here. You can also check this from here. Okay, now we'll check the honest customer review. Before this, let's have a look to its outlook. See, this is the waterproof Ortizan portable Bluetooth speaker. Here is the RGB light portion and the speaker. Okay, mixing colored flashing lights that sync to the beat. This light will sync with the beat. Okay, this is so interesting. Wireless stereo pairing. Enjoy the 360 degrees surround sound of the cinema. See, it has both side speaker, 360 degrees surround sound. 3 hours playtime. Take your music and speaker wherever you go. Multifunctional speaker. See, phone, MP3, pad, TV, and projector. It's compatible with those. And here is the controlling system. See, then hi-fi speaker, 66 feet Bluetooth connectivity, IPX7 waterproof, white elephant gifts, actually useful, actually fun, totally stylable. See, you can use it for gift someone. Stocking suffers, stay freshing with electronic gadgets. Then here is the dimensions, same 6.7 inch into 3 inch into 3 inch. So it's so easy to carry. And this is all about the outlook of this Ortizan portable Bluetooth speaker. Now, let's see what customer says about this. A real powerhouse of a speaker. Fantastic speaker. Works and lasts. Bought it twice because apparently it's that good. Perfect little speaker. Great waterproof wireless speaker. External speakers aren't built to last. Great speaker at this price point. Check more reviews. Good sound, not as good as I'd hope, and some tech issues. Then bought it twice because apparently it's that good. Great sound for little money, buy two. Do not hesitate. Great wireless option. My review. This speaker has been live for me. I can't express how freaking amazing the sound and quality itself is. One thing I can tell you is that whoever made these speakers, they put their heart into it. Such a deal. Review on Artisan portable Bluetooth speaker, IPX7 waterproof wireless speaker. Nice speaker, operates just as advertised. Good speaker, cannot connect from multiple devices. Not too bad. You can check lots of reviews from there. See, I recommend, works for my needs. Fine for a $30 speaker, but don't expect crazy bass. Great product for price. Great value for the price. So, see, there are more reviews. Customers are sharing their honest reactions here. And now I'm gonna tell you some upsides and downsides of this Artisan portable Bluetooth speaker, which you should know before buying this. Okay. So, firstly, it is a powerful 24-watt stereo sound with impressive bass for its price range of only $31 with this 36% discount. Again, don't forget to claim this discount part. Okay, from my description box definitely. And IPX7 waterproof rating makes it suitable for outdoor use, beach trips, and poolside listening. Also, up to 30 hours of battery life for extended playback. And Bluetooth 5.3 provides a stable and reliable wireless connection. Right. Then TWS pairing lets you connect to speakers for a wider stereo experience. Also, RGB light effects add a fun party or atmosphere. Then it's excellent value for money compared to many premium brands. Okay. Now it's time to the downsides. RGB lighting may not appeal to users who prefer a simple minimalist design. Also, bass performance may not match higher-end premium speakers. Then built-in microphone is useful for calls but not designed for professional voice quality minded. And then sound quality can vary depending on volume level and audio sources. Okay, these are the downsides. Now, I can say if you are searching for a budget friendly Bluetooth speaker with solid sound, long battery life, waterproof protection, and eye catching RGB lights, the Ortizan portable Bluetooth speaker is definitely worth considering for you. It may not replace premium flagship speakers, but for the price of only $31, okay, only $31, it's too affordable price. It offers an impressive combination of features and value for outdoor adventures, casual listening, parties, and everyday use. It's a stronger contender in the budget speaker category. Okay, so it could be a good choice for you with this 31% $1, and you can claim this 36% available discount from my description box. So don't be late to check my description box. So would you buy the Ortizan speaker or would you stick with JBL? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Bye.